I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation, and this is not technically home automation, but it's something I think people who are doing home automation are probably interested in, so I wanted to do a little video about it. I'm trying out some things with cryptocurrency mining. So you've probably heard of Bitcoin and the whole thing with cryptocurrency and the blockchain, these sort of emerging technologies. And probably a lot of people who do home automation are interested in how they can get in on this or try it out or just see what it's all about. So if you do this using the sort of traditional tools, it can take a little while to get up to speed on the knowledge of how you actually mine cryptocurrency. But basically, you're using your computer hardware to solve math problems. And in doing that, you're given coins that reward you for doing that work. And those have some value, although it fluctuates all the time. So I wouldn't treat it as something that's an investment, but maybe something that you can try out and play around with and just get to understand the technologies a little bit more. So again, if you want to do this at a kind of a higher level, you can get really into the weeds about figuring out all of the different coins you can mine and the algorithms to use and joining mining pools and that kind of thing. But I think this is kind of a cool tool that I've started to use just to test it out. It's called Honeyminer. It's a piece of software that basically automates the process for you. And in exchange, the company takes, I think, about an 8% cut of whatever profits you make from this mining operation. And you can install this on any kind of software, and it switches automatically between different cryptocurrency coins that you can mine. So not Bitcoin usually, because that's very hard to mine these days, but things like Monero and other alternative coins, they're called. So again, I thought this would be interesting to people doing home automation because you can basically install it on your home automation computer and use even just a basic CPU or GPU to do the mining. And of course, you could throw in a higher end GPU if you wanted to, like an NVIDIA 1070 or something like that, and probably make some actual money if your electric costs are low enough. But right now I just am testing this out on one of my home automation computers. You can see I'm only making about 4 cents per day by doing it because this is just a very, very basic computer setup. But it's super simple. You install the software. They pay you in Bitcoin, so that's Satoshis. It's like, I guess, like Bitcoin cents. So I made about 25 cents so far. But again, you can play around with this and you could drop in a higher end GPU. You can tweak the power settings. You can, I think a lot of people who do home automation are very comfortable with trying to optimize power use. So you can start to do that to try to maximize your profits and make a few dollars a day from the computer you're probably already running to do your home automation if you're connected to an Arduino or something like that anyway. So I'm going to start to experiment a lot more with this, maybe get a little bit more into the weeds on it. But let me know, is this something that you want to learn more about, or is it too far away from home automation to be interesting? Reply in the comments. Feel free to go to the website diy-ha.com and write in about that. Let me know if it's something that you want to learn more about. I'm going to keep making videos and posts about what I do with it so you can learn a little bit more. If you want to try out Honeyminer and you want to help me out in the process, I'm going to put a link down in the description, an affiliate link, so if you click on that, I'll get some credit if you do end up trying out the software for yourself, but you can also feel free to just go directly to Honeyminer's website, or let me know if you do this at a deeper level and mine directly instead of using a program like this. Let me know how your experience is with it. Again, just let me know in the comments, do you want to learn more about this or too far from home automation to be interesting to this audience?